I'd like to show you how to navigate my Canvas course. So from the home screen, if you scroll down, you will see my video all about myself, a little information about our class. Here is a picture of my virtual classroom. When you actually do get to come back to school, you will see that some of these posters are posters that I have in my room, and it looks a lot like the front of my classroom. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see several different tabs here. If you click on each tab, there's some additional information. So if we click on the live lessons, here's the link to logging into our live Zoom class. So you could click on this link here, or you could look at the meeting ID and code number. Here's a schedule posted under live lessons, what you will have for all of your classes. And then we have some Zoom meeting norms that I want you to make sure that you are familiar with. Now, if we want to go back to home, I'm just going to click this home button. We're back to that same home page. Scroll back down to those buttons. There's a button for grading. This just shows you can click on here, or it's posted. This is the Bailey's grading policy. I'm going to click back and go back home. Once again, I'm going to scroll back down to the tabs. Next, you can look at teacher information. This information has a picture of myself and my husband, a little info about me, my email address, and the links for you to join Remind, which I think is very useful, and I'll talk about that later. Going back to home again, scroll back down. If you click on this Canvas navigation, this just gives you some information, general information about Canvas. If you have any questions, support, click on this. I tried to put links on here to help you with Zoom, with meal information, CMS website, how to get on PowerSchool, help for your parents getting onto Canvas, how to log into your Chromebook, and other useful information. I'll add to that during the school year too. And right now, if you click on digital citizenship, there's nothing there right now. Next, you're going to see this enter button. When we click on this enter button, this is going to enter you into the lessons for our class. We're going to have a tab each week of the week's lessons. So for this week, we're going to click on 817 to 821. It's going to give you an overview for each day. Then you can click next and look through the lessons. And they are all assigned by day, if you'd like to see what we're doing. I can go previous to go back, or next to go forward. I'm just going to take us back again to that home page. Oh, one more thing on this. Like if you notice, if I'm trying to click on this, there's nothing there. So I will only have lessons live the Friday before the week, so you can see what we're doing in the following week. Click back home, and that's what you have access to. So if you look on the side here, you only have 3 different tabs. Home, which is this button, modules, which will take you to that page that I just showed you under the enter here, and then grades. These are all assignments that will be graded. All right, if you have any questions ever, just email me.